Hello and welcome back to episode 105 of COLLAB University. This is the last episode in the 100 series. The next time you see my face, we will be in the 200 level series of COLLAB University, and I can't wait to see you there. But today we are talking about you can't be for everybody. Your services are not meant for everybody. Although we love to think so, but the reality of it is that if you're marketing to everyone, you're reaching no one. If your business can help a lot of people, but nobody is buying from you, the problem isn't your service, it's your focus. So let's fix that today. Hey, it's Andrea. Really quickly, are you still auditing our class? If you are, you need to enroll. First of all, subscribe to the channel, and second of all, join COLLAB University. It's a free course created for business owners, entrepreneurs, and creatives to be able to scale your business, grow it, and get to the monthly goal that you want to reach every month. No matter how small or big, courses start at the 100 level and we're going all the way up to the 500 level. New courses are dropped every week and it's free. At the end of the course, you do have the opportunity to become a certified make money strategist, and you can implement these tools right inside of your very own business, or you can become a certified make money coach, and you can teach other businesses, entrepreneurs, and brands the very same tools that you are learning here for free. Lastly, you can become a certified make money trainer, and you can take this system and create your own workshops, programs, sell it to corporations and organizations. The opportunities are endless. If you're interested, be sure to hit the link below and join us in COLLAB University. Class is in session. Today, our client is Danielle. She is a virtual assistant. So, as you always know, there's always a psychological trigger that's keeping us from achieving our goals. And a psychological trigger is just something that we have in our heads that's keeping us from reaching our goals. It doesn't make it a reality. So let's jump into what Danielle's trigger is. Danielle believes narrowing her audience will limit her opportunities. She thinks serving any business owner increases her chances of getting clients. It actually weakens her message and reduces trust. Listen, if you start out being specific in your marketing, and you know that you can help multiple people, and if you're in our business besties conference, if you come to those, you know that we offer the same services every month, but we just package them differently so that our marketing is always new and refreshing. So same thing with Danielle. Today we're going to talk about one specific niche that she needs to be talking to so that she can grab that person's attention. Because if she makes general virtual assistant content, nobody is really going to be like, oh my God, that is the exact thing that I was talking about this morning. So as I'm saying, every month you can change who you want to work with, or you may find that this system will help you corner your market and you'll be the go-to for everyone in that industry. So let's take a look at Danielle's client problem. She's offering services to any entrepreneur. There's no defined industry focus, messaging too broad to feel relevant, no specialty positioning, potential clients are unsure if she's the right fit. Let's break down her current business model. I help business owners with admin tasks. I serve everyone. No niche specialization, no industry language, no clear transformation promise. How do we fix this? It's easy. We're going to use our signature make money method. One message, one offer, and one system. Let's check it out. So our one audience is going to be coaches and consultants. Our one primary service is going to be inbox and scheduling management. One clear message. I help coaches free up 5+ hours per week by managing their inbox and calendar. If you were a coach or consultant, would you not want that? And that's not all that she does, but that's what she's leading with. Once Danielle gets the coaches into her ecosystem, then she can slowly introduce all the other things that she can help them with. How are we going to get Danielle to make money fast? The first thing Danielle is going to do is create a simple offer post. If you're a coach spending too much time answering emails instead of serving clients, I'm offering inbox cleanup setups this week. Include one booking link for a paid setup session. Now her service speaks directly to one person with one problem and one solution. All of the coaches and consultants who see her post and see her content regarding this service are going to be intrigued. Then they're gonna go back and look at all of her content and see, hey, who is this? So that's another thing. I'm glad I said that, because there's this thing called content stacking. So if you know that you're going to be dropping a promotion that's promoting a specific thing or a specific service, if people come across your content, they're going to go and click your profile and see if you are legit. So before you introduce a new service or a new product, make sure that you content stack. That means you need to post about 10 to 15 posts relating to whatever your service is, whatever your product is, so that when people go and view your profile, they actually have things that they can see to let them know that, hey, okay, I can trust her, I can invest in this, I believe that she's the one to help me, or I believe that he's the one to help me. So now, you know that Danielle needs a system. So let's jump into the system that we'll create for Danielle's service. Hey guys, it's Andrea. If you're ready to take what you're learning in COLLAB University and combine it with the system and the tech you need to push it over the edge, you need to come and join the Lead Lab. The Lead Lab is a CRM tool designed with the business and owner and entrepreneur in mind. But what makes the Lead Lab special is that not only do you get the tech and the systems that you need to scale and grow your business or brand, but you also get media marketing and branding strategy, as well as operations and logistics to help you reach your monthly financial goals. And we have two different options. The $299 option, we help you create everything, and for $399 a month, we'll do everything for you. So if this is something that you could benefit from, and I know that you can, click the link below to join the Lead Lab today. Once Danielle starts booking setup sessions, she's going to need intake forms to streamline onboarding. She's going to need automations to organize client requests. She's going to need follow-ups to create monthly retainers, and also workflows to reduce manual communication. Instead of restarting with every client, systems help Danielle turn one setup session into recurring income. The Lead Lab does all of this. The Lead Lab can help you create forms. It can help you create automations to follow up, scheduling reminders, single landing pages. You can create a new link tree for every single offer so that you don't have to keep adding and removing every time you get ready to promote something. You can create as many as you want and label them. So in Danielle's case, she would name this link tree Inbox Cleanup and Scheduling Management. If you are a virtual assistant, I implore you to just pick one niche, one industry to focus on for this next month and see what happens. It can be coaches and consultants, it could be plumbers, it could be hairstylists, it could be real estate agents, it could be teachers. It could be teachers. Teachers may need help with their inbox, with their lesson planning, with building out their curriculum. You never know. You could create coloring pages and bell ringers. You can create those things for teachers and they will pay you to do that. And that could easily be a course or a monthly retainer. So the course could be a passive income, or the monthly retainer can be, of course, monthly recurring revenue for you. And you can also set that up inside of Lead Lab. Now, I know some of you may be saying, well, I don't know how to structure my offer. I don't know how to structure the make money method for me, for my industry. And that is where the Lead Lab comes in. Of course, you can join us over in COLLAB and I can answer any questions for you. But once you come over into Lead Lab, not only can I help you come up with media ideas, content ideas, marketing, branding, but we also help you create the system. We help you put these things in place specifically for your industry and customized to your needs. So, this is the last lesson in our 100 level series. I'll see you back here next time, and we will start our 200 level series in COLLAB University.